Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix the app not available error on the App Store. Alright, let's begin. If you see a message saying an app isn't available in your country or region, the easiest solution is to change your App Store country. First, open the App Store and make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Next, tap your profile icon in the top right corner, then tap your Apple ID or account name. You may be asked to enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID to continue. Once you're in your account settings, tap Country, Region. Choose a country where the app is available, such as the United States or another supported region. Accept the terms and conditions, then complete the required information. If prompted for a payment method, you may be able to select None, depending on your account. You'll also need to enter a billing address, state, zip code, and phone number that match the selected country. After saving the changes, return to the App Store and search for the app again. If it's available in the new region, you should now be able to download it without seeing the error. So that's basically how you can fix the app not available error. That's it for this video. Thanks!